Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you on do not disturb in Realme phone, guys. You want to on do not disturb setting in Realme phone, so guys you can on the setting in your Realme phone. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you on and guys how to on it. Before starting video, friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching a video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video, friends. First of all open your phone setting, click on sound and vibration, scroll it, guys. Then guys you can see do not disturb setting. Guys, you want to on, so guys you can on from here, guys on it. So I hope friends you have understood how to on do not disturb setting in Realme phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. For guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.